Hello friends, today we are going to study about the photosynthesis chemical equation and its balancing. So what does photosynthesis equation states? Chemically it states carbon dioxide, that is C for carbon, O for oxygen, okay, CO2, it means carbon dioxide, plus water molecule, that is H2O, in the presence of, that is most important, I'll use red pen here for better understanding and it will highlight it also, chlorophyll, right? So carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives us, it makes the food for the plant, that is C6H12O6 plus oxygen is released, right? So now I'm going to tell you about the balancing of this chemical equation of photosynthesis. Before telling you about the balancing, just keep these two things in your mind. What are the two things? First, if you want to add any number here, you can add only at the beginning, right? Means beginning, it starts from here, like carbon dioxide beginning, it starts from here, so we can add on here, 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 but not anywhere in the between of the molecule. Like if you say you want to add here in between, suppose let me tell you here, yeah, if you tell you want to add anything here, oxygen 2, so dear friends, it will be wrong. We cannot make it H2O2. You want to add on 2, you can better add on here only, because it will do that will against the some nomenclature rules, okay? Now one thing more I want to tell you, if suppose I am adding anything over here, I am adding 4 here, okay? That is 4 CO2, means 4 represents to this carbon, 4 molecules of carbon, and oxygen is 2 here. So whatever we are adding here will multiply over here, okay? Like 4 is here and subscript is 2, so 4 multiplied 2 is 8. So keep these two things in your mind, then I am sure the balancing will be easy for you. So let's start for the balancing. So as in maths we always do this, left hand side is equals to right hand side. I hope you must have studied this concept of left hand side is equal to right hand side, right? In mathematics we have to do it, but here this concept, it is not following this concept. Here left hand side is not equal to right hand side, that we have to do. So to make balancing easy, this is the way I am telling you, and I hope you will understand it. So first I will write whatever is on my left side, I will write here, and whatever I am having here on my right side, I will write it here. So let's start from left hand side, right? So first I am having CO2 and H2O, right? So first is carbon, I will write here C, symbol for carbon is C, symbol for hydrogen is H, and symbol for oxygen represent O. Here also the same thing, C, then H, then O. I hope till here it is clear everyone, right? Now next is what? Next I have to denote them, the number of carbon atoms they are having, they possess with them. Like here C is only 1, so we will write here 1. I hope you are getting it. And here C I am having C6, right? So we will write here 6. What about hydrogen? How many hydrogen I am having here? I am having hydrogen here only 2, so I will write here 2, right? How many hydrogen I am having here? It's 12, so I will write here 12. And here comes the turn of oxygen. Oxygen is 2 here. In between there is a plus sign and one more oxygen, right? So 2 plus 1, yeah, very correct, it is 3. Now how many oxygen I am having here? 6 oxygen is here. O6 means oxygen is 6, represents number of oxygen here, plus 2 is here also. So dear friends, 6 plus 2 means 8. Yes, we are going correct. Now what is the problem? If I want to check that whether they are equal, no, there is a cry smiley that says no, they are not equal. So, but we want to make it a smile, smiley with a smile. So let's balance it. So this is carbon is 1 and here is 6. Okay, so don't worry this number of carbon atom. Okay, we will make it 6 also. It's very easy. What you have to do? Nothing. Here you want 6 only. So we will put 1 6 here. I'll do it with a red sketch. Yeah. 6. Right. So here also what I'm having? Here also I got 6. I'll cancel this one to avoid any confusion. So here I am having 6. Here also 6. Here also 6. So we succeed. Our carbon is balanced. Now it's the turn of hydrogen. So how many hydrogen? Here is 2 and here is 12. Oh my god, here are too much. So we want to make it 12. So what can we do to make this 2 12? So let me count how many we are lagging off. यहाँ पे I am having 2. I want 10 more. So to want that 10 more, what I can do, let me try. If I put 1 6 over here, see it's not always the case that you can put 6 here. You have to trial, hit and trial method. Okay, so I'm trying it with a 6. So if I put 6 over here, 6 multiply by 2, as I told you, if anything I'm writing here and it is having a subscript also, it will multiply by it. So 6 2s are 12. Yes. So here I am having 12. 12, 12. Balance. Now comes oxygen, number of oxygen. So here number of oxygen is 8. Here is 3. Wait, let me check. Here I have added 6 now. Then what this 6 will do with this 2? Yeah, it will multiply. 6 2s are 12. So here I am having oxygen 12. But I am having one 6 molecule of oxygen here also. So 12 plus 6, it is 18. Right. So now here is 18 and here is 8. So what I want to make it 18. I'm lacking with 10 points. So to gain that 10 points, what I can do? Let me try. Yes, I'll put 1 6 over here. 6 2s, it will multiply. 6 2s are 12 and 12 already I'm having 6 molecules of oxygen here. So 12 plus 6, yes, you are correct. It's 18. So it's 18. It's 18. So now my left hand side is equals to my right hand side. So we can say now it is a balanced chemical equation of photosynthesis. Thank you. I hope you understood this method and it will be easier and helpful to you. Thank you.